One slip and history repeats. Fails like this have sent many to the hospital fast. Barber chair turns nightmare fast. 2,000 pounds of tension snapping back can end everything. Chainsaw fails don't warn twice. Cutting from a ladder ends like this: gravity wins, shed loses. Pros climb safe, or don't cut at all. One rope slip, and he's riding that log down. Tree work has zero mercy. Only pros keep gravity in check. Taking down a rotting giant up in the air is a fight against gravity every second. One wrong cut and the treetop becomes a wrecking ball. Pros make it look easy, but chaos is always one heartbeat away. An Actros built for smooth pavement fighting deep forest mud, bad idea. That heavy log load begs for real traction like a 6x6 off-road beast. One tire spin, and this whole truck becomes a stuck logging fail. Hope this video blew your mind. Your support keeps the creative fire alive. Tree snaps wrong way. Branches explode like bombs. Lucky he dodged death here now. Dragging heavy logs on steep ground like a beast. One slip, and it's a full-speed timber disaster. Steel 90G and McCulloch 797G bring brutal cutting power. The 90G rips through logs like a hungry beast. The 797G balances force and durability for pros who respect danger. One wrong move with these monsters, and physics bites back fast. Safety always. This binderburger chews firewood like a hungry machine. Logs ride the conveyor straight into spinning blades, slicing 3-foot pieces into tidy blocks at insane speed. Hydraulic power keeps everything flowing. But one wrong hand placement and it becomes an instant finger-splitting fail. Hard hats save lives. One hit and it's game over. Safety first always. Precision cuts. Wedges perfect. Reading the lean like a pro. Skills like this keep giant trees falling exactly where planned. Respect the craft. Thought that logging truck was a mud-eating monster. Then the dozer behind showed up. Overloaded, zero traction, danger rising. One slip and those logs slide like missiles. Stay safe. Pros only. One wrong move and chaos hits fast. Safety first keeps machines and lives intact. Logging isn't steady for long. One slip, one drop, and a normal day turns into a physics lesson nobody wants. Stay alert. One cut, and nature snaps back. The tree rises like revenge, proving nobody truly controls the forest. DIY delivery. Saved $50. Lost the whole truck. Physics charges interest. This stump is a stubborn giant, roots gripping earth like steel. Hydraulic power and precision cuts battle the hidden beast below. One wrong move and that grinder launches into a rodeo fail. Stump removal isn't simple. Dirt work, this is muscle versus physics. Watch the pros tame what nature refuses to release. Branch drops, he flies like a flag in the wind. Zero control, full chaos. Gravity always collects its debt. Wind-thrown giants on a steep Austrian slope. and this synchro cable crew is wrestling every log like a loaded spring. One wrong pull and tension snaps back with deadly force. Extreme logging isn't luck, it's precision, nerves, and total respect for the mountain's power. Watch pros save the day. Stacked heavy, chained tight, this logging truck hauls giants where rookies panic. Narrow tracks, sharp drop-offs, zero room for mistakes. One bad bounce and those logs turn into missiles. Real pros don't just drive, they wrestle physics every mile. Standing in the danger triangle, one kickback and that log is a missile straight to his chest. Boom. Oh man, one slip from disaster. Insanely risky. But he made it out safe. What a close call.
Oh, shit. Are you all right? There you go, man.
This APOS head strips logs like a giant pencil sharpener. But when that tree yanks back, the whole unit lifts traction, losing the fight. One unstable grab and the machine becomes a launch pad. Secure your gear or get launched. Fog turns this giant into a ghost tree. One wrong cut and the forest wakes up. Beautiful scene, but chainsaw fails haunt here now. Two forest giants working in sync, lifting logs like they weigh nothing. Power meets precision while operators dodge gravity and chaos. This is where machine mastery turns dangerous work into a steel ballet. Up watching. Massive logs drain every ounce of torque here. Trailer brakes stuck or load too heavy, uphill becomes a battle. One stall and gravity wins the logging truck fail. Respect weight on climbs always hard. Unleash the power of the GS-N240 frame saw. Compact yet powerful, This machine slices hardwood with unmatched precision, using only 10 to 12 kilowatts per hour. With a razor-thin 2.3 millimeter curve, you get more product, less waste. Stack up to 19 blades for insane productivity. Starting at $19,000, it's an investment in superior efficiency. Old-school forest tech. Colored tape on hydraulic hoses to eyeball log lengths. This logma grabs and cuts by feel, no fancy sensors. One wrong mark and you've got a logging truck fail waiting. Precision isn't digital here, just operator guts and machine muscle. Red oak loves to betray cutters. Too brittle, hingewood snaps early and tree goes rogue. Thick hinge is your only safety line here. One weak cut and this giant barber chairs with zero mercy. Snow falling, tires spinning, and a fully loaded timber truck inches its way up a slippery slope. No chains, no second chances, just pure skill and nerves of steel. In weather like this, hauling wood becomes a battle of balance, grip, and guts. Carpathian chaos. Overloaded ZIL, 131 fighting mud and gravity at the same time. One wheel slip and those logs roll downhill like missiles. Riding the hood isn't bravery, just a front row seat to a logging truck fail. Rayco RG80 chewing through a 36-inch oak stump in just 10 minutes is wild. That cutting wheel isn't even fresh, but hydraulic power keeps shredding like a hungry buzzsaw. Sharpen those teeth and this beast would erase a stump before you could say, chainsaw fail. Piece by piece cutting, while a trunk hangs in midair, is a gamble with gravity. One wrong slice, and the entire log drops like a wrecking ball. Precision matters, nerves tighter than the chainsaw chain itself. Respect the danger, or the fail arrives fast and loud.
va a quedar trabada ahí una rama, que se va a quedar trabada ahí. Pero no vas a aguantar moverlo.
Logmax 7000XT on a Tigercat 855 turns, cutting into a forest factory line, cuts, limbs, measures, then throws logs like it owns the woods. One hydraulic slip and that power becomes a logging fail waiting. Respect the machine, or it teaches the lesson hard, fast. Safety first, always. Liebherr LRS 545 treats full trailers like toy baskets. One grab equals 30 tons airborne. Moving timber faster than gravity can complain. But when that much weight swings wrong, a perfect lift becomes a logging fail disaster. Machine muscle rules here: respect the power or lose the load. The Petzolato TLA-22 plus TB-1200 doesn't play around. It swallows raw logs and spits out perfect firewood like a factory-grade beast. Automated feed keeps the power flowing. Zero hesitation. One jam or slip, and this machine turns into a wood-launching nightmare. Hydraulics doing the pushing while the saw does the screaming, never a dull moment. One wrong cut and that giant barber chairs into the road. Not a textbook drop, but brute force cleared the danger zone. When a backhoe joins the felling crew, you know it's either genius or a chainsaw fail waiting. Mud is the real boss here. This skidder claws through the Jura mess, dragging logs like a stubborn beast. One slip and those timber missiles turn into a logging truck fail waiting. Just a man, a mean machine, and the forest daring gravity for a paycheck. Passion and risk every muddy inch. Mind blown? Drop a 1 below. Your support keeps the chaos and machines rolling.
Ja, heel goed. Goed trekken.
Jullie hadden het.
Mission unstoppable. A 1,000 pounds log hit his head, and he still stood right back up like nothing happened. The Tiger Cat X 822D with Tiger Cat 5702 dominates the forest, gripping, cutting, and processing massive logs with unmatched precision. Its hydraulic power and advanced head make quick work of dense timber, turning towering trees into clean cuts in seconds. Pure power, zero hesitation. The Vermeer AWC 2300 XL whole tree chipper is built for tough jobs. It effortlessly turns whole trees into chips, increasing productivity with powerful, efficient performance on any site. Cranes are meant to control falling logs, not gamble with gravity. One overstretch here and timber turns into chaos. Logging fail waits below. Cut the tree wrong, crush the house. Simple math they forgot. Gravity always collects the bill.
О, новая прямо.